Egyptian plover, also known as the crocodile bird, living along the rivers of Africa. This remarkable bird is said to feed on scraps of food and parasites from the mouth of Nile crocodiles. To protect its eggs and chicks, it often buries them beneath the sand, hidden from danger. Unlike many birds, the Egyptian plover spends most of its time on the ground, walking along sandy riverbanks, searching for insects and other small prey, rarely taking to the skies, unless disturbed or threatened by danger.